Which stockpot is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, HOMICHEF 20-quart stockpot. First up is the HOMICHEF commercial grade 20-quart stockpot. Priced at $67.24, this pot caught my attention with its sleek mirror-polished stainless steel finish and impressive capacity. If you want a stockpot that can handle large batches for gatherings or special meals, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Made from nickel-free stainless steel, it ensures healthier cooking by preventing any toxic leaching. Plus, it features a heavy-duty 4.2 thick base that provides efficient heat distribution, so you won't have to worry about hot spots ruining your meals. With over 6,200 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating, many users rave about its durability and performance. Here's the thing though, heavier pots often mean better heat retention and cooking results. If you're looking for something lightweight, this might not be your best choice, but if you need something reliable for serious cooking, it's fantastic. This is perfect for you if you often cook for large groups or want a pot that can last for years. Skip this one if you prefer lighter cookware or cook in smaller batches. It's a solid investment for your kitchen. Now, if the weight of the HOMICHEF bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design. Product number 2, BEZIA 12-quart non-stick stockpot. Next up is the BEZIA 12-quart non-stick stockpot, priced at $62.99. This pot caught my eye with its striking gray ceramic coating and ergonomic silicone handles. If you want a user-friendly option for holiday feasts, this one deserves your attention. This pot is designed for ease. The non-stick ceramic surface means you can say goodbye to stubborn food remnants, and you'll appreciate how quickly it cleans up. With 680 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, it's evident that users love how easy it is to manage large meals with this pot. However, some buyers mention that the non-stick surface may wear out over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you use wooden or silicone utensils, you can prolong its life significantly. If you tend to use metal utensils frequently, you might want to consider another option. This is ideal for anyone who loves hosting large dinners or meal prepping for the week. Skip this if you prefer traditional stainless steel cookware or cook with high heat often. It's a fantastic value for the convenience it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a heavy-duty option. Product number 3, Kyairku 8-quart stockpot. Coming in hot at just $28.99 is the Kyairku stainless steel stockpot. This 8-quart pot grabbed my attention with its advanced 5-layer bottom design. If you need something practical and affordable for everyday cooking, this one is worth checking out. This pot is perfect for boiling pasta or making soups for smaller gatherings. Plus, it's compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it super versatile. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,600 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its performance and price point. Now, some folks pointed out that the handles can get a bit hot during use. Here's the thing though, this is common with many stainless steel pots. Just use a pot holder and you'll be fine. If you're looking for a pot that's easy to handle, it might be a slight inconvenience, but it shouldn't deter you from considering it. This is perfect for those who want a functional and budget-friendly pot for daily use. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger capacity or need a lightweight option. It's a great value for your money and gets the job done. Now, if you need something larger for big cooking tasks, the next pot is definitely worth your attention. Product number 4, VEVOR 42-quart stockpot. Next up, we have the VEVOR stainless steel stockpot, which is a real powerhouse at $68.20. This 42-quart beast is designed for serious cooks. If you're looking for a pot that can handle massive batches, this is your go-to. What's impressive here is that this pot accommodates huge foods like turkeys and lobsters, saving you time in the kitchen. Its premium stainless steel ensures durability and corrosion resistance, so you won't have to worry about any harmful substances leaching into your food. With a rating of 4.6 stars from nearly 600 reviews, It's evident that this pot is favored by many, especially for outdoor events or large family gatherings. However, a few users noted that the pot is a bit unwieldy to handle when full. Here's my take: if you're cooking for a crowd, you'll want good capacity. And yes, it might feel heavy when full, but that's the trade-off for cooking larger meals. Just be cautious and have a plan for lifting it. This is perfect for anyone who does a lot of batch cooking or needs a reliable pot for commercial use. Skip this if you have limited storage space or cook small meals often. It offers great value for its size and durability. Finally, if you want a slightly smaller yet sturdy option, the next pot might just fit your needs. Product number 5, Bayou Classic 30 Quart Stockpot. Last but not least, we have the Bayou Classic 30 Quart Stockpot priced at $85.99. This pot caught my eye with its heavy-duty construction and domed lid. If you're into making large batches of gumbo or chili, this one is definitely worth considering. The 30-quart capacity is perfect for family gatherings or meal prep. Its stainless steel construction means durability, and the heavy-duty welded handles provide a secure grip, so you won't have to worry about dropping it. Plus, it comes with side calibrations, making it easy to measure your ingredients. With a 4.5-star rating from 277 reviews, it's well received for its sturdiness and usability. That said, some users mentioned that this pot can be a bit pricey compared to others. Here's the thing: you get what you pay for with cookware. If you're serious about cooking large meals, the durability and performance make it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for serious home cooks or anyone who loves to entertain. Skip this if you're on a strict budget or don't need such a large capacity. It's definitely a good investment for the quality you receive. So there you have it, 5 excellent stockpots to consider for your cooking needs. Whether you need a lightweight option for everyday use or a heavy-duty pot for large gatherings, there's something for everyone. Choose wisely based on your cooking style and needs.